This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate and lift up the floor covering. Undo the retainer. Lift out the toolkit, followed by the spare wheel. Chock the wheel diagonally opposite the one to be changed. Prise off the wheel centre cap where fitted. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, use the wheel brace to slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. 2 jacking points are provided on each side. Use the one nearest the punctured wheel. Locate the jack head at the point in the lower sill flange, indicated by the indentation in the metal sill. Turn the jack handle clockwise until the wheel is raised clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the retaining bolts and remove the wheel. Locate the spare wheel over the studs on the hub face. Then refit and lightly tighten the wheel bolts. Lower the vehicle to the ground and remove the jack. Tighten the road wheel bolts securely. Stow the toolkit in the spare wheel well and secure it with the retainer. Refit the floor covering. Lower the rear seat backs. Then store the punctured wheel and centre cap in the luggage compartment.